Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss.
How long does it take to actually complete cleaning tasks? Today I'm going to time myself so I can create an insert that tells me exactly how long it takes. For example, to empty the dishwasher, is it 5 minutes? Is it 10 minutes? And knowing this can help me schedule out my day so I can fit in all the tasks that I need to get done. And also, it kind of helps you to get over that barrier that at least I know I have in my mind about getting something done. So for example, if I think something is going to take 30 minutes, I'm probably not going to be motivated to start that task. But if I realize that it only takes 5 minutes, then I will be much more likely to start it and complete it.
I'm addicted somehow, let me tell you what is up with your smile, it's impossible.
Keep in mind that your times won't be the same as mine because everyone is different. So I encourage you to try this out and time yourself on the tasks that you choose.
Irresistible when I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no one.
There was a study on college students conducted in 2011 identifying many underlying factors behind why we may procrastinate on certain tasks. For some of us, it is perfectionism. For others, poor organization and planning. It could be a lack of motivation or energy, among many, many other reasons, which vary greatly between individuals. For example, I sometimes delay a task if I feel overwhelmed from trying to get too much done at the same time. And a solution to this may be setting a timer for 5 minutes. I know that I can force myself to do something that I really don't want to do for 5 minutes, if I know I have the option of stopping after the 5 minutes is over. But what I've found is that after 5 minutes, I will often keep going because I realize it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So this is my how long does it take insert, which I plan to reference every time I'm not motivated to clean. This insert will help me to realize that things don't actually take as long to clean as I think. So I hope this video gave you some ideas for motivating yourself to get more chores done throughout the week. If you want to get notifications on when I post new videos, make sure to hit the bell icon after you subscribe, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in your sweet.